Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Linda and today's recipe we are making Scottish shortbread. These are very delicious biscuits and very buttery and milky. So let's go ahead and start preparing it. We are using only 3 ingredients for this recipe: flour, icing sugar, and butter. Please note butter, not margarine. Margarine will not give you the taste and the texture of these biscuits, of the shortbread. So the thing is to cream the butter and the icing sugar together. You cream them till they are very creamy. Please, if you are new to this channel, I welcome you, and please subscribe to this channel if you find this video interesting, and also share it with your family and friends. Save it or share it so that anytime you want to make cookies, shortbread, you can easily watch it and go ahead to prepare yours. The recipe is very simple. It's only 3 ingredients. So when I'm done mixing the flour, icing sugar and butter, I just need it a little just to combine them and to form a very soft dough. As you are seeing there, I only did that kneading once. Please do it only once. So after it has formed a very soft, nice dough, I place it inside this square pan. Though the dough did not cover all, but I just used it to achieve a square shape. I tried so hard, guys, to to prepare a very replica of the original Scottish shortbread that we all know. So with this pan, I was able to get a very square. Is it square? Yes, a very square shape with a good thickness. The thickness must be 1 inch or a little more, depending on what you want. So I'm using a spoon here to do the plastering work. I'm using this spoon to make sure I achieve a very smooth surface and smooth edges too. So after plastering it, I put it inside the fridge for 10 minutes. Though I put it inside the freezer for 10 minutes. So if you are not putting inside the freezer, I put inside the fridge for 20 minutes. So after that, I just brought it out from the fridge now to do the final thing, which is the cutting or the shaping. Yeah, so I cut it in this shape of normal and the normal shortbread. Then I'm designing it with a fork, giving it the original Scottish, signature look. Look at this baby. So it's ready now to go inside the oven. I've already preheated my oven, so it will bake for 40 minutes. So after 40 minutes, this is how it's looking like. So when you know that your biscuit is ready, it's when the edges are brown like this. So I allowed it to cook for some minutes. I brought it out from the pan, and I'm going to separate it now that it's still, it's still hot, but not too hot. going to separate it now, because if I allow it to go very well and I try to separate them, they might fall apart. So I'm just taking it easily and gently to separate them. So after separating them, oh my goodness, if you taste this biscuit, there is no difference between the shortbread inside that red, that the usual red pack, and this tastes so nice. Thank you guys.